Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper drawer in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper drawer. The crisper drawer is located inside the refrigerator compartment. It's used for storing vegetables and dairy products. The main reason to replace the crisper drawer is if it's broken and won't stay in place, or is hard to push in and pull out. To get it apart, we need to open both doors. To remove the crisper drawer, we need to pull it out, then lift up and pull out again. This is the old crisper drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new crisper drawer, we need to place it on an angle, then put it straight in and slide it in. And now we can remove this protective film. Now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.